Hi guys, the much-awaited Redmi K50 gaming smartphone's launch in China is right around the corner. Redmi is on the verge of launching its K50 series of smartphones in China on February 16th. Moreover, Xiaomi is likely to unveil the Redmi K50 gaming and several other smartphones under the upcoming K50 lineup. The handset will go official in India, carrying the Poco F4 GT moniker. Redmi is creating more hype around its upcoming K50 series smartphones by dropping new teasers. These teasers shed more light on the upcoming gaming phone's key specifications. For instance, it will support 120-watt fast charging and have JBL-tuned speakers. So, let's check out the Redmi K50 gaming smartphone specifications and other key details before it goes official in China. As mentioned, the Redmi K50 gaming phone will launch in China on February 16th. Even before the phone's announcement, Xiaomi has divulged its key specifications. First off, the K50 gaming will be drawing its juices from a 4700 mAh battery. Moreover, this cell will support 120-watt fast charging out of the box. Much to the delight of avid mobile gamers, the phone will come with an L-shaped charging cable. This will enable them to comfortably use the phone even when it is charging. According to Xiaomi, the K50 gaming takes only 17 minutes to be fully charged. Aside from shedding light on the handset's battery and charging tests, the company has revealed details about the phone's audio features. The K50 gaming will come with symmetrical stereo speakers. Furthermore, these will be JBL-tuned speakers. As if that weren't enough, the phone's stereo speaker setup will also support Dolby Atmos and carry high-res audio certification. According to the recently surfaced teasers, the K50 gaming will feature a display that has a hole punch cutout for the front shooter. Taking to its social media accounts, Redmi has been posting teasers that showcase the phone's awe-inspiring design and reveal key specs. Earlier this month, the company teased the presence of a highly efficient cooling system that will effortlessly handle 90 FPS gaming on the phone. Furthermore, an earlier teaser has showcased the phone's flat screen that is encompassed by minimal bezels. For optics, the upcoming gaming phone will house 3 rear-mounted cameras with a LED light around the camera island. Past leaks claim that the phone will come with a 64-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. Up front, the phone will feature a 16-megapixel shooter for capturing selfies. Also, it will probably pack a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC under the hood. It is also likely to offer 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Moreover, it is unclear if the company will launch the phone outside its home country. However, a report by Digit suggests it will arrive in India carrying a price tag of 34,990 rupees, or $365. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.